The Viofo A129 Duo dashcam uses Wi-Fi to connect directly to your smartphone, allowing you to view footage, download videos, and adjust settings through the Viofo app. This wireless connection enables several useful features that make managing your dashcam much easier. Connection problems often stem from network mismatches, where your phone and dashcam aren't communicating properly. The dashcam acts as a Wi-Fi hotspot, and your phone needs to connect to its specific network, identified by an SSID like Viofo A129XXXX. The Viofo A129 Duo operates exclusively on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, following the IEEE 802.11b GSTA-N standards. This means your phone must also connect to a 2.4 GHz network for compatibility, as the dashcam does not support 5 GHz frequencies. Wi-Fi standards determine speed, range, and compatibility. The A129 Duo uses older 802.11b/GN standards on 2.4 GHz, which offer good range but slower speeds compared to newer standards. This explains potential interference issues in crowded networks. The A129 Duo employs WPA2 encryption for secure connections. This involves a pre-shared key and a four-way handshake process. If the Viofo app isn't syncing correctly, authentication errors can prevent the connection from establishing properly. Wi-Fi signal strength is measured in dBm, with stronger signals having lower negative numbers. For the A129 Duo, aim for signal strength above -50 dB to ensure stable connections. Poor signal strength can cause frequent disconnections and unreliable data transfer. When the A129 Duo creates its Wi-Fi hotspot, it typically uses the default IP address 192.168.1.1. If your home router also uses this IP range, it can create conflicts. Accessing your router settings can help resolve these IP address overlaps. Start with the simplest solutions: power cycling your dashcam and your phone. Turn off both devices completely, wait a few seconds, then turn them back on. This clears temporary glitches that might be interfering with the connection. On your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings and forget the Viofo network, then re-add it. This refreshes the connection and often resolves authentication issues. Double-check that the Viofo app has all necessary permissions, especially location access. Without location permission, the app cannot connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi network. Make sure no VPNs or firewalls are blocking the connection. Disable any VPN apps and check your phone's firewall settings to ensure they don't interfere with the dashcam's hotspot. Outdated firmware or app versions are a common cause of connection issues. When the software on your Viofo A129 Duo or in the Viofo app is not current, it can lead to compatibility problems that prevent proper Wi-Fi connection. To update the firmware on your Viofo A129 Duo, first download the latest firmware version from the Viofo website. Connect your dashcam to a computer using a USB cable. Then run the firmware update tool provided by Viofo. This ensures your dashcam has the latest bug fixes and compatibility improvements. For the Viofo app on your phone, open the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android. Search for the Viofo app, and if an update is available, tap the Update button. This ensures you have the latest app version with improved connection features. The latest firmware version is v1.5.2 or newer, and the app version is v2.8.1 or newer. These updates include important bug fixes specifically for Wi-Fi connection issues, as well as compatibility improvements for the latest iOS 18 and Android 14 Plus operating systems. When basic troubleshooting steps like power cycling and network resets don't resolve your Viofo A129 Duo's Wi-Fi connection issues, it's time to explore more advanced solutions. If you're using a home network extension to connect the dashcam, check your router settings. Ensure the router is set to 2.4 GHz band only, as the A129 Duo doesn't support 5 GHz. Disable Smart Connect features that might cause channel switching and set a fixed channel if interference is suspected. Wi-Fi interference from nearby electronic devices can disrupt the dashcam's connection. Sources include microwaves, cordless phones, Bluetooth devices, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks. Move the dashcam and phone away from these potential interferers to improve signal strength. Your phone might be automatically switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network while you're trying to connect to the dashcam. Check your phone's Wi-Fi settings and temporarily disable auto connect to other networks. or put your phone in airplane mode briefly before attempting the connection. These advanced steps should help resolve persistent Wi-Fi connection issues with your Viofo A129 Duo dashcam. One real-world case study shows how a user resolved chronic Wi-Fi disconnections with the Viofo A129 Duo. The user downgraded the Viofo app to version 2.7.5 and updated the dashcam's firmware, resulting in stable connections for months. Another case study involves a fleet of delivery trucks using Viofo A129 Duos in busy urban environments. By switching to dedicated 2.4 GHz routers, they reduced connectivity issues by 70%, as documented in tech reviews. However, some users encounter incompatibility issues with newer phones that no longer support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, like certain iPhone models. This highlights the importance of checking hardware compatibility before purchasing. Experts from the dashcam industry estimate that 60 to 70% of Wi-Fi connection issues with the Viofo A129 Duo are actually user-related errors. One of the most common mistakes is neglecting to update the firmware, which can prevent proper compatibility with smartphones. Statistics from Viofo show that Wi-Fi problems now account for only 15% of support queries, down from 20% thanks to recent fixes. For security reasons, experts recommend avoiding third-party tools and instead using the official Viofo app for troubleshooting. App-based solutions provide the most secure and reliable way to resolve connectivity issues. The trend is shifting towards cloud-based syncing, reducing reliance on direct Wi-Fi connections. Future updates are expected to support 5 GHz Wi-Fi and improved Bluetooth fallback, potentially eliminating connection problems. Hybrid Wi-Fi cellular models are also on the rise, promising seamless phone pairing in the future.